Yep, yep, that's exactly it. Because that's what the maximum solubility is. Alright.
We should take out some of like.
And so what you do
there-ish.
is, and then so you plot the natural log of K versus 1 over T, and don't forget 1 over T. Make sure you do T in Kelvin.
That looks good.
Otherwise, it's not going to come out right. And then if you can take, there's an equation on page 1 where it relates ln of K to 1 over T, and you can. And so basically the slope is going to be negative delta H over R, and the intercept is going to be S over R. You can if you plot your graph in Excel, and then right-click the data points, and say add trend line, it'll add the trend line, it'll also give you R, you can also choose to have it display the R squared value. Well, the only thing with R squared is that the closer it is to a line, the closer it is to 1, the more linear. If you want, though, you can follow the instructions. It takes a couple minutes to pump out all those values just by using what he tells you to do there. You should have, you should have one for each for absorbance versus concentration for both UV and Vis, and you should have one for each for ln of K versus 1 over T for both UV and Vis. So you should determine what color wavelength you see. Does that make sense? Because the way the energy value is going to be in the nanometers range, so it emits visible light, which is why you see the colors. Don't worry about it. Yep. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Can I just say a mirror for a second?
Yeah.
Well, what? I don't even look a thing like Mr. G.